Hi, it's Maggie at Whisked Away Cooking School. Cucumber seeds can really upset people's stomachs, so I'm going to show you how to de-seed a cucumber before you slice it. First, cut off the top and the bottom, and then I cut it in half to make it easier to manage. This is an English cucumber, so the skin is thin enough that you can leave it on, or you can peel it. But I'm just going to slice the cucumber in half, and using a spoon, I'm just going to scrape out the seeds. Turn it over onto its flat side and slice. Slice the cucumber. I'm going to cut my half in half again. My cucumber is on its flat side. I'm going to slice. I'll turn the slices to the side, turn them, and dice. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.